Welcome to Terra Naturals. Let us see Hibiscus Shampoo with Bioenzyme Shampoo Base. It is a very simple and easy recipe if you already prepared the shampoo base. It is very important to follow the measurements. If you follow the measurements properly, you can get a good consistency in the end product. Let's get started the recipe. Hibiscus flowers 20 numbers, hibiscus leaves 10 numbers, DM water 40 ml, double the flowers and leaves, shampoo base according to the thickness of the shampoo. Add hibiscus flowers and leaves in a vessel and add DM water. Cook for 10 to 20 minutes. Don't use much water. Once the flowers changes its color, switch off the flame. Use a cloth or filter like this to filter the hibiscus tea. For this hibiscus shampoo, I am going to use only the leaves and flowers. I use this hibiscus tea to make a rejuvenating face gel. Stay tuned for the making of rejuvenating hibiscus gel. Let's continue the making of hibiscus shampoo. Grind the hibiscus flowers and leaves in a mixer jar. Add required amount of shampoo base and mix all together. I have already uploaded the making of Bioenzyme Shampoo Base. Click the link below in the description box. Once give a try. You can love this beautiful recipe. You can get all the goodness and benefits of the hibiscus flowers and leaves in a first hair wash itself. You can get the beautiful lather without any harsh chemicals. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.